Assalamualaikum, class 5 सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश लेसन नंबर 1 द वर्ल्ड इन अ वॉल। सबसे पहले हम इसकी रीडिंग करेंगे। द क्रम्बलिंग वॉल दैट सराउंडेड द गार्डन alongside the house was a rich hunting ground for me. It was an ancient brick wall that had been plastered over, but now its outer skin was green with moss. Bulging and sagging with the damp of many winters, the wool surface was intricate, the map of cracks and some several inches wide, other as fine as hair. Here and there large pieces of dropped off and revealed the roof of roasting bricks laying beneath. Inhabitants of the wall were a mixed lot and they were divided into day and night workers, the hunters and the hunted at night the toads and jocks were the hunters. Their prey was the population of stupid, obstinate, minded crane, flies, moths of all shape and size, and returned beetles hurrying with their night work by day. It was difficult to tell the difference between the prey and the predators. Everything seemed to feed off everything else. The hunting was searched out caterpillars and spiders. The spiders hunted for flies. The dragonflies fed off the spiders that the flies and the swift multicolored wall lizards fed off everything. But many favorites were the cherished members of the wall community who did not seek any attention. They were also the most dangerous. You hardly ever say one unless you looked for it, and yet there must have been several hundred living in the cracks of the wall. If you gently lifted a piece of the loose plaster away from the bricks there, crunching beneath it would be a little black scorpion an inch long, looking as though he were made out of polished chocolate. They were weird looking things with their flattened oval bodies, their neat crooked legs, and enormous crab like claws, valvulous and neatly jointed as armored, and the tail like a string of brown beads ending in a sting like a rosestone. The scorpion would lie there quite quietly as you examined him, only raising his tail as a warning sign if you breathe too hard on him. चलें, अब हम लोग पैराग्राफ 1 की ट्रांसलेशन पढ़ेंगे। द क्रम्बलिंग वॉल डेट सराउंडिंग द गार्डन अलॉन्गसाइड द हाउस वाज अ रिच हंटिंग गार्डन फॉर मी। घर के साथ साथ बाग के चारों तरफ घिरने वाली गिरदा दीवार मेरे लिए शिकार का एक भरपूर मैदान था। It was an ancient brick wall that had been plastered over, but now his outer skin was green with moss, bulbing and sagging with the damp of many winters. ये एक कदीम ईंटों की दीवार थी जिस पर प्लस्तर लगा हुआ था, लेकिन अब ये बैरूनी जिल्द काई के साथ हरे रंग की थी और नम बहुत से सर्दियों के नम से टहलना। The wool surface was intricate map of cracks, some several inches wide, other as fine as hair. पूरी सतह दीवार पर दरकार एक पेचीदा नक्शा था, कुछ कई इंच चौड़ा, दूसरों के बालों की तरह। ठीक यहाँ से वहाँ एक बड़ा टुकड़ा उतर गया था। Here and there large piece एक बड़ा टुकड़ा उतर गया था, dropped off and revealed the roasting bricks laying beneath, और नीचे बड़ी गुलाबी ईंटों की कतारें सामने आईं। चलें अब एक्सरसाइज पे आए। एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, वेयर डज गर्ल हंट फॉर एनिमल्स एंड वाई इज इट अ गुड प्लेस टू फाइंड दैम। इसका आंसर देखेंगे हम। गर्ल हंट्स फॉर एनिमल इन एन एंशिएंट क्रम्बलिंग वॉल that surrounds his garden. It is a good place to find animals. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। आज का लेसन इतना ही। कल मिलेंगे नए लेसन के साथ। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह।